Hey dolls and gents, I am finally back with a new video for you guys and I'm so excited. This one is hair and makeup style. So I'm going to show you how I go from bare face and just like a slick pulled back ponytail to this hairstyle right here, this beat right here. The girl was struggling today, okay? I was about to just stop recording and take all this makeup off my face and just like throw the whole dang video away, but I'm glad I kept filming. See, this is the thing. I know a lot of you are like struggling with makeup and things and you feel like you're not the best with makeup, but sometimes you just gotta let it ride out to the end to see if the look is all gonna come together, because sometimes it looks crazy. Sometimes you have issues, like for instance today. This look, I wanted to do like a nude waterline so that my eyes would be nice and open and awake, but that didn't happen. I ended up having to smoke out the lower lash line and adding black in the lower lash line just because my eyes were watering like crazy, and this is the only thing that would stay put. So sometimes you just gotta work with what you got going on and just keep it pushing. So yeah, I'm super obsessed with how this look turned out. It actually turned out really cute. Like, I'm shocked because, like I said, I was about to wash all of this off of my face. It is so simple to achieve this look. I will have all the products listed in the description box down below for you guys. If you are interested in checking out the hair that I am rocking in this video, this is the Kalehi Brazilian body wave hair. I have worn their hair extensions before. I had their curly hair and that hair was bomb AF. Their body wave hair is bomb AF too, so I highly recommend them. Do y'all see this hair? Like, this hair has no product in it whatsoever. All I did was curl it, and I installed 4 of their bundles plus a lace closure on a wig about a month ago. So I have been rocking this for a while, testing the hair out. I've had very minimal shedding, very minimal tangling. I will leave all the links and also a direct link to check out their hair store down below. If you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? It's completely free. Click that subscribe button down below. Also hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. Some of y'all have been like, girl, where are your videos at? If you are not subscribed and if you don't hit that bell, you won't be notified when I have a new video. So make sure that you do that. And if you want to see how I achieve this full look right here, you know what to do. Stay tuned, guys.
You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. Now you wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. You wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. Oh, yeah. Late night, I'm going out. We throwed up in my Benz, like going 75. All my friends, yeah, they up, they living this life. See my mama happy now, cause I just bought her this house. I'm balling it out, living this life. I'm feeling this hype. Ooh, I'm flexing with my doobie in my pool. Smoking on that shit, it makes me cool. Drinking that tequila, make cool. You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. Yeah. Now you wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. Yeah. You wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. Oh, yeah. I'm living this life, I'm feeling this hype, I'm doing it right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm living this life, I'm feeling this hype, I'm doing it right. Yeah. Oh, I'm living this life, I'm feeling this hype, I'm doing it right. Yeah. Oh, living this life, feeling this hype, doing it right. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm down for the long run now. Red Corvette and my drop top down. Calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone. Falling and I'm a whip, yeah. Out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah. Yeah, I still ball on the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why? How do you get by? You've been away way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cash L's, I just wanted him to lose you. Now it's like damn, puffing on the bush at Uncle Sam's. Who'da thought that he would understand? And I just never fall out, I just wanna win. I'm in it for the long run, I do this on my fam. Yeah, I'm down for the long run now. Red Corvette and my drop top down. Calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone. Falling and I'm a whip, yeah. Out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah. I still ball on the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture. Something's wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Yeah, something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why? How do you get by? You lie. Why do you lie? Why? Why do you lie? Oh, you lie. Why do you lie? You lie. Oh, why? Why? You just leave this up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just leave it up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just leave this up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. Yeah. Look at all this moolah, I got cash now. And a bunch of books in my lap now. All up in your face like a front page. Going through your place like a front gate. Gatorade, I sip it till I fade away. Mix it with the vodka, then I'm A-okay. Yeah, looking for that green, I wanna radiate. Then sail away like it's 1988. You just leave this up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just leave it up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just leave this up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. Yeah. Don't nobody know while I'm on the road. All up in Japan, running it on my own. Hop off that phone, get it while I can. Picking up all them riches, I'll be digging for that gold. 24, yeah, now I'm ready for it. Drop that thing like I went smoking on the corner. All my homies, they done told me I'm a stoner. That's some jelly-ish, but I don't look like Homer. You just leave this up to me. I can show you my world, we can go through it all. You just leave it up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just leave this up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just leave this up to me. what's up on the streets and kept the bag in my pocket like a rollie. Yeah, I go slowly, but only when I pretend. All these people growing up, they wanna be us. Yeah, got me tripping like a Prius. I don't even know a lot of people selling pizzas these days. Check up for the sound of these waves. Yeah, you was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, just ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, just ball right now. Ball right now. Ball right now. Think that I might just ball right now. Ball right now. Ball out. Right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, just ball right now. On the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up in that zoom, zoom. Oh no, please don't make that call. Me don't want no cause, they ain't ready for the cause. Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try to catch me when I pull up in that zoom, zoom. Ooh, boy, driving by the shore, looking for some more. And my Rari going raw. Want you to work, I heard about your resume. Skirt, open up the sesame. Work, oh no, don't pressure me. Yeah, ooh, yeah, roll out with the referee. Curb, yeah, I'm turning left now. Burn, yeah, the rubber's on my chest now. First, no, you're not the first one. They done told me I'm the worst one. Yeah, always the pedal to the floor, yeah, I'm Martin Senna. And I don't know what's in my trunk, I'm always front and center. Drive that Rari down the coast, yeah, rocking my new road, yeah. Always on the road and I don't need no sweater. Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up in that zoom, zoom. Ooh, nah, please don't make that call. Me don't want no cause, they ain't ready for the cause. Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try to catch me when I pull up in the zoom, zoom. Ooh, driving by the shore, looking for some more. In my Rari going raw. Want you to race, I cannot do this solo. Pace, yeah, I'm speeding in my polo. Wait, no, I don't have time for slow-mo. I've been doing this all my life just for the Lolo. I'm in the shower, I've been sober for an hour. When you see me pour up, I need something to devour. Yeah, I'll play it louder. Yeah, I do a crosser. Yeah, I'm doing better, all my haters give me power. Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up in that zoom, zoom. Oh no, please don't make that call. Me don't want no cause, they ain't ready for the cause. Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try to catch me when I pull up in the zoom, zoom. Ooh, driving by the shore, looking for some more. In my Rari going raw. Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong. Tell me where it all went wrong. Yeah, now. Yeah. Oh no no. Oh please don't go. I got shows. I'm on the road. I'm headed home. I'm where that at? I don't know. But all these flows make me mad. I got a cold. And what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roomies. Please don't call my phone, can't you see I'm with the rubies? Ruby, Ruby, I got a brand new whip, red and gold, yeah. Hop up in that backseat out at foreign. Don't nobody try some things and call me your opponent. Got a bunch of commas, then I roll up with the Rolex. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Yeah, I'm licking at my lollipop. And my mama starting to ask me where my money from. And my papa, he gon' call me when that popo come. See me run up on that hill like I'm at Comic-Con. Ooh, when I'm sober, I don't wanna front. Ooh, caught that polo right from mama son. Catching feelings like them buddies you read it on. Straight up out the plane, yeah, I'm running from Babylon. What you planning on? Yeah, hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. First of all, it couldn't be your fault when this life of mine would fall.
I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up before you leave. Definitely be sure to check out these hair extensions from Kalei Hair. They have super affordable yet high quality hair extensions. Y'all already know that I love their curly hair and now I'm obsessed with their body wave hair too. So definitely check out those two textures. I will also link a video where I'm rocking their curly hair extensions down below in the description box for you guys. If you have not already watched my last video, what are you doing, girl? Go ahead, click this box right here and check it out right now. And I will be sure to catch y'all in my next one. Bye.